So I was reading another case law. This case was filed in the United States Court of Appeals for the First Circuit. So this was a case, a U.S. immigration case that was denied in court, and then the case traveled to the BIA. The BIA also denied it, so they petitioned the Court of Appeals for a review of the BIA, Board of Immigration Appeal. So this was in 2021. Now let's get into the meat of the case. Again, driving without a license or driving violations can get you in removal proceedings. Takuri, he was a native of Ecuador, entered the U.S. Without inspection in 2001, meaning he probably came through the border. He wanted to live to make some more money to support his family. He had a wife who also came in from Ecuador. They had 2 minor U.S. citizen children, and Takuri was in construction and roofing. He even started his own business in 2008. That's wonderful. He was on his way to living his American dream. And then unfortunately, this guy had approximately 18 charges for driving with a suspended license. And that's quite a number of violations. And as a result of Takuri's frequent contact with Milford, Massachusetts police for motor vehicle violations, Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, initiated removal or deportation proceedings against Takuri in August 2018. They filed an NTA, notice to appear, in immigration court, and he was detained, and he applied for the relief of cancellation of removal. This is a very tough application to win. Where you're telling the judge that exceptional and extremely unusual hardship will be caused to your relatives, close family relatives, if you are deported. And these people have to be qualifying relatives. They have to be either U.S. citizens or green card holders. In any case, all I want to bring to your attention is that if you're in the U.S., and you are an immigrant, you want to be careful with your road conduct. Just be careful on the road. If you don't drive without a license, no violations, no overspeeding, no road rage where you stop and do any funny thing with anyone. Just be careful, because that is one of the most common ways to land yourself in deportation proceedings. And if you're a green card holder, you are